Okay, so this is question 2 from chapter 5, part B. We're dealing with the concept of markup and markdown. What they're telling us here is the regular selling price of merchandise sold in a store includes a markup of 40% based on the regular selling price. So what that tells us is that the markup equals 40%, 0.4 of the selling price. During a sale, an item that costs the store 180, so we know the cost is 180, was marked down 20%. So a 20% discount. But the first thing we have to do is find the regular selling price. And so we're going to take S equals C plus M. We don't know S. We know C is 180. And we know something about the markup. It's 40% of the selling price. So this 0.4S has to leap over here. S minus 0.4S equals 180. Now we have to remember there's an invisible 1 right here. So 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6S, still equal to 180. And so S must equal 180 divided by 0.6, at which time we need a calculator. And that works out nicely to 300. So that's our answer to part A. We figured out what the regular selling price must be. Let's take a look at part B. What is the regular markup? So we know that M is equal to 0.4S, but now we know S. So this is equal to 0.4 times 300. So with the help of a calculator, we find that's 120. So part C, what was the sale price? It was marked down. They talk about markdown here as if it's something different than a discount, but markdown and discount are exactly the same thing. That's worth sort of making a mental note of that. So use the same formulas and the same things we know about the discount we can apply to the markdown. So keep those concepts in mind, that whenever you're being asked about the rate of markdown, it's the same as the rate of discount that we've already been calculating several times. So we want to know the sale price. It was marked down 20%. So we're going to use the sale price is N, although we're calling it sale price now, it's just the net price. The list price was the 300, and the markdown or the discount was 20%. So this just becomes 0.8, and we find out what 80% of 300 is. And it looks to be 240. So that's our part C. That's the sale price that we're worried about. But just remember, when they talk about markdown, it's the same as discount.